So here we got Blackstar HT-5R combo tube amp. According to my niece who owns this, it doesn't produce the normal sound. It's just some heavily distorted sound both on clean and overdrive channel. I have tried new tubes, both the power tube and the signal tube, but to no different effects. I don't know if you can hear the crackling sound if I put my phone camera closer to the cabinet, but that's the only sound that comes from it at normal. So I'm gonna put my camera phone inside the cabinet now, hopefully record some of that crackling noise just constantly coming from the amplifier as of now. I tried my best to record some of that crackling sound. Don't know if it's gonna be audible. Anyway, that's it. My niece Julie. So, as I can show you now, it's putting the volume to the max on the knob. Maybe try and have this one plugged in. As you can hear, it's not quite as it should be. Try the overdrive channel. Again, I have to turn the volume up to the max to get any both tubes looks to be intact, and as I said, I've tried to replace them. I got new ones and wasn't any difference. So I'll try and flip this one up on the side so we can see the back of it, and if any of you who watches this can see with your trained eye if there is anything out of the ordinary, I would be most thankful if you spot anything. I'll also put some pictures of this. Well, that's it.